In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can get the QR code for your Facebook page. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first, head over to your Facebook app and click your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now, click this arrow over here next to your profile and switch to your page. Click on your page and it's going to switch you to your page. Now, click your profile icon again over here and then click your page over here. Now, click these three dots and it's going to bring you to the page settings. On the page settings, you can simply click page link and then click continue, and then it will be copied. Or you can just click share page and here you can click copy link. Now go back and open your Safari app or any browser that you're using, and here you have to search for QR Monkey. Now open this first link, that is QR code monkey, and now you simply have to paste the website link or the page link over here. Just simply paste it over here and then it's going to create a QR code for you. You can see the preview over here and then click download QR and download it. Once you click it, click download with Google. And here you can see you have your QR code over here. Click these three dots over here and then click download. And here it's going to give you the format options. You can choose the format that you like and download it. For example, let's go with JPEG and then click download. You can also click custom options over here and choose file size and color mode and then click download. Or you can send by email by clicking over here. And that's how you do it.